Rocky Mount, North Carolina pressure washing. If you are looking for expert pressure washing in Rocky Mount, North Carolina, this video walks you through everything you need to know about picking the best company, understanding the process, and achieving outstanding results for your property. We've got the equipment and expertise to tackle tough grease stains on driveways and sidewalks, ensuring your property's curb appeal remains strong in Rocky Mount, North Carolina. Our team is skilled at handling large commercial properties with high foot traffic, like those found in downtown Rocky Mount, North Carolina's business districts and shopping centers. From restoring the exterior of single-family homes to power washing decks and patios, our crew has the gear and know-how to bring out your property's best features in Rocky Mount, NC. We also offer pressure washing services for historic homes and churches, preserving their iconic facades while removing grime and mildew, maintaining a sense of community pride. Our team is dedicated to serving Rocky Mount, North Carolina with prompt and reliable pressure washing services, ensuring your property looks its best all year round. We take pride in providing eco-friendly solutions that minimize the environment's impact, as we know that a clean community starts with responsible practices for our neighbors and visitors alike. By partnering with local business owners, residents, and property managers, we aim to maintain a high standard of cleanliness across Rocky Mount, NC, fostering a stronger sense of community through sparkling clean properties. Our team at Rocky Mount, North Carolina Pressure Washing has extensive experience working with various types of surfaces, including concrete, wood, and metal, ensuring a thorough cleaning for your property's exterior. We understand the importance of maintaining a safe and clean environment in our community, which is why we use only the latest equipment and techniques to get the job done efficiently. In addition to our surface expertise, our team is also trained on handling sensitive items such as power washing windows, siding, and decorative features without causing damage or discoloration. We offer flexible scheduling to accommodate your busy schedule, whether you're a homeowner, business owner, or property manager, making it easy to fit pressure washing into your maintenance routine. The pressure to keep up with outdoor cleaning can be overwhelming, especially in Rocky Mount, NC's humid climate. Regular cleaning is essential for homes and businesses alike. Regular washing sessions also extend the life of your property, saving you money in the long run by preventing damage from dirt, grime, and mildew buildup. Our team is dedicated to providing top-notch pressure washing services to Rocky Mount, North Carolina residents, ensuring their homes and businesses look their best year-round. From driveways to sidewalks, our pressure washing equipment can tackle even the toughest stains and grime buildup in your neighborhood streets. We take pride in using eco-friendly cleaning solutions that are safe for the environment and gentle on surfaces, so you can trust us to wash your property without harming local wildlife. In addition to residential properties, our team also serves commercial clients like restaurants, stores, and schools in Rocky Mount, North Carolina, keeping their outdoor spaces clean and inviting for customers. With years of experience and a commitment to customer satisfaction, we're the go-to pressure washing experts for homeowners and businesses throughout Rocky Mount, North Carolina. Pressure washing is a powerful tool that helps remove dirt, grime, and stains from surfaces, restoring them to like-new condition and extending their lifespan with regular maintenance. If you are looking for pressure washing in Rocky Mount, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with free estimates, scheduling, and unmatched service to get your property looking its best today. Click the link below to learn more